have something for you.
It's Laurel's Black Canary costume.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought you could use it here, but, you know, maybe Earth-2 needs a Black Canary. You are still planning on being good, right?
I'm planning to try, yeah.
Good.
I just really hope one day I'm actually worthy of it.
I've seen you before. The old Green Arrow documentary. You're
A friend of your parents. You're lucky we got here when we did.
dying to say to watch my back.
It's what canaries do. Give this to Felicity. You look so much like her. And you may not be a canary. And you still have a long way to go to prove that you're a hero. Take it from someone who knows how hard it can be. And don't screw it up. Stand down. Oliver, what the hell are you doing on my Earth? Nice of you to show up. You'll need backup.
What the hell?
You're lying.
Fix it! Fix it!
Yeah, I'm telling you I did. I can fix tech. I can't bring back the whole friggin' universe.
I'm so sorry, Laurel. But they're gone. Let's get out of here. Laurel! Now! Looks like I'm not the only one who needed backup. That's our cue.
Wachen will still be protected.
I'll deal with the muscle. You just watch my back.
Don't move, or I'll shoot. You said watch back.
sorry to take you out of your bubble, but we really need you.
I know how to protect myself. I'm not sure of that.
I sure do.
Mia's in position. D, you're us. You ready?
Never not.
You're about to have company. With the help of guessing.
What the hell are you guys waiting for? Secure our freaking position.
You go get Bianca, and we'll take care of Logan and his friends. What? You'll be fine.
Bianca's not here. Run!
Thermal imaging places Bianca on the top floor. There's 2 bodies beside her. I'm guessing they're guards.
How much more company can we expect?
Depends on how fast we move.
That's comforting.
Oh, and another piece of good news, the whole place is laced with meta dampeners.
So no Canary prize.
Perfect. Ready?
We have to go, now.
Why leave now, huh? The fun is just getting started.
Trevor.
Oh, I get it. She broke up with you, and now your feelings are hurt. Aww.
I mean, I really care where my bump is. Long rest. Check in, time what's next. Incoming text from the beds. No hate, you're fearless. I'ma say what's on my chest. They got them trying to nonsense. Tick, boom, and I really care where my bump is.
There's too many of them. We have to get out of here. Stay close.
Right, there's time for me too.
Death by tantrum. You're gonna have to do better than that. Welcome back.
Oh my God. Who are you bitches?